Welcome learners, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. Class 8, unit number 2, it's your 6th lecture. Learners, open your book, page number 18. The topic is the faulting process. Now we start reading. Faulting takes place when rocks within the earth's crust develop fractures or cracks, causing displacement of rocks to occur vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. Faulting occurs when crustal rock layers experience tensional force, crustal rock layers experience compressional forces. Rocks under tensional forces are pulled apart and stretched, usually resulting in a fault. Rocks under compressional forces are crushed together. This may cause them to either fault or fold, expanding or on whether they are brittle or flexible under stress. The next topic is types of faults. There are three major types of faults. Number one, normal fault. A normal fault is caused by tension, usually when the crust is pulled apart. There is vertical displacement of rocks as one block either slips downward or move upwards relative to the adjacent blocks. Number two, reverse fault. A reverse fault develops when there is vertical displacement of rocks as a result of compression of crustal rock layers. It is similar to a normal fault except that the block of rock layers that move upwards relative to the adjacent block now overhangs it, forming an overhanging escarpment. Escarpment means a long steep slope. Learners, in figure 2.7a and b, you can observe the normal and reverse faults. Now open page number 19. Number 3, tear fault. A tear fault, also known as a transform fault, develops when there is horizontal displacement of rocks as the crustal rock layers slide past each other. Next topic is major landforms resulting from faulting, rift valleys and block mountains. Rift valleys and block mountains are landforms that are caused by faulting on a large scale. A rift valley is an elongated means long and slender lowland between two highlands that were created from the vertical displacement of rock due to tensional or compressional forces as a result of faulting. When tensional forces are applied to rock layers, a normal fault develops. A rift valley forms when the central block slides downwards relative to the side blocks. Conversely means reversed. A rift valley can also form from a reverse fault caused by compressional forces. Figure 2.8a and b shows how a rift valley form. Learners, in figure 2.8 you can see the formation of a rift valley from a normal and reverse fault. Learners, now open page number 20. A block mountain is a mountain that is formed by the large scale displacement of rock caused by either tensional or compressional forces. A block mountain with the flat top is called a host. Host means a ridge of the earth's crust that has been forced upward between two faults and so is higher than the surrounding land. Figure 2.9a shows the formation of a host by tension, while figure 2.9b shows the formation of a host by compression. An example of a rift valley and block mountain system can be found in the East African Rift Valley system in Africa. The African continental crust has developed fault lines, causing the part to move eastwards while the other part to diverge westwards. The result is the formation of a series of rift valleys, figure 2.10. The valleys can stretch for a few hundred kilometers each and are flanked by steep side valley walls. Some of the rift valleys are about 30 to 60 kilometers wide. The presence of long narrow lakes such as Lake Tanganyika inside the Rift Valley shows that the land is sinking due to tensional forces. Learners, on this page there is a map you should observe keenly. Learners, now open page number 21. On this page there is a diagram in figure 2.11. It shows block diagram of a section of the East African Rift Valley. Learners, on page 23 there is a flow chart about plate tectonics, folding and faulting. Folding: two factors affect the folding process: amount of force exerted on rock layers, presence of fault line. 5 types of fold: symmetrical fold, asymmetrical fold, overfold, recumbent fold, overthrust fold. Landforms that results from large scale folding. Fold mountain system. Faulting: two factors affect the formation of faults: tensional forces, compressional forces. 3 types of faults: normal fault, reverse fault, tear faults. Landforms that result from large scale faulting: Rift Valley, block mountains, host. Learners, do reading carefully, learn vocabs and write on loose sheets. Take care. Allah Hafiz.